Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Is this yours?
No, my friend.
My friend?
Brother, yeah. We got the purple one back there too.
Yes, sir. I brought it. Thank you very much. Is this 615s? 8 ZV. Oh, ZV6 is on. Is it 412K salts?
6K.
Oh, those are 6K. Man, that's efficient.
Yep.
Solid doors.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got in the system at Slamfest Audio near Tampa area. Be sure to give it a like and comment what you like about this system. I didn't actually get to meet the owner during this demo. One of his friends were demoing for him, so sorry about that if you were looking for more info. I tried to get a full walk around so you can see all the equipment and electrical. Powerful lithium bank from Limitless. It looks like the G series, and 4 of these 6,000 watts saw 8Ks. And if you notice the way the subwoofers are mounted, an optimal amount of space in this fourth order. Looks like a 4 or 5 to 1 ratio fourth order. Subs being inverted with a bunch of cone area. I thought they were 12s at first, but they look like 15s. Just really big, beefy magnets from the Sundown Audio team. Did a good job. Shout out to y'all. And if you notice, you can look even at the bottom of the platform of the box. Optimal amount of space, even building angles and chamfers around the enclosure. So smart idea there if anybody's looking to get the most out of their system. Big ratio fourths are the way to go. And if you notice the way the amplifiers are mounted, I didn't really get a poke of the camera behind them, but it looks like there's something behind the amplifiers, maybe for the door speakers as well, and like the amplifiers for them and all the other wiring jobs. So 24,000 plus watts, of course, rated for 8 subs in this demo we're getting to now. Subscribe if you haven't. I do daily car audio videos, and enjoy this crazy demo.
Thank you very much for the demo, man. Nice job. Looks good. Solid doors.